boys and girls. I have my daughters, Olivia. Olivia, you want to say hi?
Hi.
And Ava. Want to say hi?
Hi.
With us today. And today we thought it would be super fun if we made slime.
Yeah. Slime.
So the girls are going to teach you how to make slime today. First, we're going to explain what you're going to need. And then they're going to walk you through the directions on how to make slime.
Yeah.
And then if you look in the description, I'm going to post the recipe on how you can make slime at home. All right? Okay, so girls, can you tell our YouTube watchers the first things that you are going to need to make slime? What do you need?
You need a bowl.
A bowl and a
mixing stick.
A mixing stick or a spoon works too.
And you need the glue.
You need some glue.
Yeah.
Okay, and what are you doing?
I'm pouring the glue in. Yeah.
In where?
In the bowl.
Okay.
Remember, you're doing the dark purple, Ava. Do you like dark purple? Yeah.
Okay. Good girls. Okay, so try and get all that glue out of the bottle.
Mine is.
Are we good? Okay, I'll take the glue bottles, please. Thank you. Now, what do we do next, ladies?
We put either paint or
Food coloring?
food coloring in the bowl. So I have pink and Ava's purple.
Okay.
So
Okay, that's good, Ava. Great job. Here, can I help you, Olivia? This one's getting kind of empty. Squeeze. There you
Mom,
go.
look at mine. Thank you.
Okay, and what are you doing next, ladies?
I think
Well, what are you doing? Explain what you're doing.
we're mixing it in the bowl. Yeah, look at mine. Yeah, hers is tiny
Great
purple.
job. We have purple and like a
Light
pinkish
pink.
purple.
Yeah. I mean a pink, like a dark pink.
All right, what's the next ingredient we need, ladies? Does anyone remember what that's called?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to measure it. Olivia, you can put yours in.
You
Good job. Ava,
start mixing.
put yours in.
Okay.
2 hands, be careful. Put it in. Okay.
And now we need the finishing touch to make it slime.
Okay, let's let Ava finish mixing in her baking soda.
Yeah, so then
Okay, and what's the last step, ladies?
activated.
Activator. For our activator today, we're using contact solution. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can buy this at Walmart. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to hold it. Go ahead, Olivia, put in your activator. Keep going. Excellent. Keep going, a little bit more. And make sure it's super slimy. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, Ava, I'll hold that.
Ooh,
Okay, start
it's
mixing.
already turned into slime.
Keep going, baby.
Oh man, it's stopping me. It's stopping.
So explain to the kids what's happening.
Well, it's making slime. Yeah, it is making slime. So it already looks like this. And then it turns
Look at
to
that.
slime.
Okay, show them how it's turning into slime.
Yeah, and then you use activator and glue and then white soda.
Okay, can we show them what it looks like when we're all done, ladies? So you're going to mix really hard, right? Okay, Ava, can I have yours?
Yep.
Thank you.
I want it stretchy.
And let's show them what a finished, oop, you okay? Let's show them what a finished product looks like. Give Ava some so she can explain.
No, I want my own.
Whoa, yours is still cooking. Yours is still,
No, I want my
okay. Here, show them what the other one we made too, sister.
Oh, yeah, I made fluffy slime.
All right, Ava, show them the slime. This is what it looks like when it's all done.
Yeah, it looks like it, but it is not slowly slime. But Mom, I really want to keep mixing my slime.
All right. While Ava keeps mixing, I'm going to post in the description how to make the slime. I'm going to give you the recipe. So parents, this will be hours of fun and hours of cleaning. Just be careful. Don't let them use it on the carpet. It's really hard to get out. Stay away from couches too. Our rule is we stay in the
Kitchen.
kitchen. Have fun.
Have fun.